Dito kami ngayon sa Mount Pleasant. Actually, yan si Jeff. All the way doon kami kanina ano kami, Aloe Palm. All the way down to the end. So right now we're taking a break. Yeah, salute to the American flag. Anything possible. Down low is the river, so but we're about to going that way. So that's all I can say. All the way to Aloe Palm. We're halfway there. Wala kaming ginagawa ngayon, so we decided to go ahead and do the bike today. So we don't know how far we're gonna go, but we're gonna go somewhere else. But Aloe Palm is that way. We're going back this later on, but it's gonna be the same way. I know everything's happening in the world right now, but I think United States is gonna be strong, and we're gonna get through COVID-19. So peace out. Alright, kumusta ngayon? We're supposed to go that side all the way down there, but there's a checkpoint, so we got to turn around, so we gotta go back the other way. So bike right now. We're supposed to be there, but said we gotta go back. So anyway.
Can anybody show me the way? I'm at a loss, I got nowhere to stay. Pockets full of dreams, but they're empty as hell. Can anybody show me the signs? I'm running with dogs.